started to run my first trains in 30 years, this one, and it went straight off the blocks. Look at that. Quite incredible. And even the Pullman lights worked, which is even more amazing, really. You can't see that here. You can see that here. Whoop. And even my terriers are on the go. The only one that has decided not to work is my Charlie, the Q1, which I will have to take to bits. But as you can see, things are starting to take shape here. I'm ready to start soldering up the rail. I've got all the rail over this side over here, and bought enough in that packet there for it, and the wire to go underneath to start constructing my bus bar. And I've got all the connectors. They've arrived, the red and black ones. So a lot of crawling around and setting out.